Hi, is your Windows PC acting weird? Slow boot, network errors, random crashes? Today, I will show you how to fix most common Windows issues with just one simple batch script. No downloads, no third-party tools. This one-click script will run a system file scan, deep Windows image repair, network stack reset, DNS flush, and export full system info for review. Perfect for fixing slowdowns, connection problems, or update errors. So let's build it. First, open Notepad. Type or paste this code. This script does 6 powerful things to fix Windows without using any third-party software. Now go to File. Then Save As. Name it fixwindows.cmd. Set Save As type to all files. Save it to your desktop. Right-click the file and choose Run as Administrator. This step is required for system-level repairs to work. Let's break down what's happening. This scans and repairs corrupted or missing system files. This fixes deeper problems in Windows Component Store, often when SFC fails. This flushes outdated DNS records, useful for browser errors and Wi-Fi issues. This resets the network stack, fixing strange internet or app connection issues. This gives you a full snapshot of your PC's system health and install drivers. When it finishes, open the systemreport.txt file on your desktop. Use it to check specs, drivers, and Windows update history. Use this script whenever you face slow performance, corrupted updates, network drops, and weird crashes or glitches. If this helped you out, leave a like, share it, and subscribe for more power user tricks.